In this question, you have to identify the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body. Option A, female gametophyte. It is incorrect. These are the sexual forms of Plasmodium that develop in the human blood but are taken up by the mosquito during a blood meal. So, these are not the infectious stage for the humans. Option B, male gametophytes. It is also incorrect. Like female gametophytes, these are involved in sexual reproduction within the mosquito and are not infectious to humans. Option C, trophozoites. It is also incorrect, as these are the active feeding stages of Plasmodium that occurs inside the red blood cells during the blood stage of the life cycle, but they do not infect the humans directly. Option D, sporozoites. Now, sporozoites are the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body, and they are transmitted through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. So, when the mosquito, or rather the infected mosquito, bites a human, the sporozoites from their salivary glands are injected into the bloodstream and travel to the liver, where they initiate the life cycle of the malarial parasite. Hence, this is the correct option.